Hello everyone, how are you? You all know that during CSIR UGC NET exam, one of the important part of the general aptitude section, and general aptitude is very important for your good rank. If you want to top rank in the top 10 of the in all India rank in top within top 10, and you must have good aim in the part A section. Part A actually your rank determinate exam. Basically it's have like mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning, and some graphical analysis are there, puzzles are there, and some basic science question also there. And in case of so আমরা আজকে যেটা যে তোমরা সবাই জানো যে সিএসআইআর ইউজিসি নেট এক্সামে একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট পার্ট হলো পার্ট এ সেকশন আর জেনারেল অ্যাপটিটিউড সেকশন। মোস্ট অফ দ্য স্টুডেন্ট কি করে তাদের সাবজেক্ট পার্টে খুবই ভালো থাকে, কিন্তু যেহেতু পার্ট এ সেকশনে তারা খুব একটা স্কোর করতে পারে না, তার ফলে র্যাঙ্ক খুব পিছিয়ে যায় তাদের ক্ষেত্রে। সো আজকে আমরা একটা শর্ট ট্রিক শিখবো মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনের জন্য, কিভাবে ইজিয়েস্ট ওয়েতে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন করা যায় খুব কম সময়ের মধ্যে, এবং যেটা আমরা নর্মাল মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন মেথড করি তার থেকে অনেকটাই ডিফারেন্ট এবং ইজিয়েস্ট ওয়েতে। চলো আমরা দেখে নিই কিভাবে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা সহজে করা যায়। First we'll see the normal method. During normal method, what we actually do during multiplication, like in 12.34 into 1.11. If we multiply in 12.34 into 1.11, what we'll do that in that way. If you 12.34 by 11, so normal is 4, 3, 2, 1, and another method is that in 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 7, 5, 3, 1. In that way we will do, and there is a 13.3574, right? This is a normal way and it's a time consuming way. So today we learn about the shorter way of multiplying by 11. How within few seconds you can multiply it, right? So first let's see 34 into 11. 34 into 11. So first is 34 into 11. 34 into 11 actually. So first write the first number and last number 3 and 4, and there write the pairwise sum 3 and 4 7. So its multiplication multiplied result will be 374, right? Now here see 72. Now 72 multiplied in 11. So first write the first digit and last digit. So 2 is the first digit and 7 is the last digit. Now at the pairwise sum, 7 plus 2 is a 9. It says 7 plus 2 equal to 9. It says 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So if you see that here, 2 write the first digit and the last digit and the pairwise sum. 2 plus 3, 5. So if you say xy, it's a number. Suppose it's a number, so will be x. Write the x and y and then pairwise sum. So rules is that first write the first digit and last digit. First digit and last digit of the number. And then pairwise sum. Then in between write pairwise sum. Right? Now here you see that it's a x and y, it's a pairwise sum is x plus y. Now here is 84 into 11. If you see that 84 into 11, how will do that? 84 into 11, so first write the first digit and now write the last digit. So first digit is the 4, last digit is the 8. Now it's the 8 plus 4. Now we are getting 12. So 12 you will give 2 and carry forward 1. So it will be 4, 2, 9. So 9, 4, 2, right? So in that way you can do that. If in that way you have to carry whatever first one is there, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 equal to 12. So you have to carry 1, write the 2 and the carry 1, so 9 to 4. Now coming to here, 123, 1 to 3 into 11. So here is write the first digit and last digit. So pairwise sum, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 3, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, right? So first is that, first write the first digit and last digit. So first digit 3, last digit 1, so 2 plus 3, 5 and 2 plus 1, 3. Now here is 5, first digit 5, last digit 3 and pairwise sum, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, 3 plus 1, 4. So now here 1, write the first digit and last digit 1 and 4. Now pairwise sum, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So write the first digit, so you can see that first digit is, and first digit is here, this one, and last digit is 1, so 1 and 4 we have written. And now pairwise sum, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. Now here see that 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. So first is write the first digit and last digit, first digit and last digit, and then pairwise sum, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. Now here 93 into 11, 93 into 11, so you can write that 9 and 3 last digit. Now here is 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 equal to 12, so write that 12 and carry 1, so 3, 2 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So in that way you can solve the problem. Now you can see that here, you can see that here, so 56 into 11, 56 into 11, so write in the comment box whatever you think, if you have learned that 56 into 11 and 77 into 11, whatever it's coming. And now here you can see that, so 6, 5, 8 into 11, so these are your tasks for, if you understand that part, so you will be able to solve that. Now here see that another digit is written, the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 9. So 9 into 11, right? So in this question what you have to do, first is, so even your calculator will not take up that disease, even so error. So you can do it in a easiest way, right? That first is 9, first write the last digit and last digit. Now 9 plus 0, 9. So write that 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. So you have got the pattern. 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. This will be 1, 1. So in that way you will get the answer, right? So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. This way you can do. Even your calculator will show the error. Hope you will understand that part. Thank you.